start with the greatest name of Allah, who is the most merciful and kind. Dear all friends, Assalamu alaikum. As you know, I am Mansoor Ahmed Mangi, and today in this lecture, I will tell you about what is the operating system. So, in the operating system, we discussing about what is the operating system, function and components of operating system, types of operating system, and process and progress of operating system. So, first of all, what is the operating system? In an operating system, OS is a collection of software that manage computer hardware, resource, and provide common services of computer program. So, in an operating system is an interface between computers and user computer hardware. In an operating system is a software which is perform all the basic tasks like file management, memory management, and process management, handling input, the output, and controlling the peripherals of the device such as the disk drivers and printers. The operating system is the most important program that runs in a computer. Every general purpose program must have operating system to run other program than the application system of the computer operating system. The basic tasks such as recognize all the input parts of the hardware system, then keyboard, sending output to display screen, keeping text file, and decorate all the strong device in the operating control system. The graphical user interface such as a printer for longest system time, operating system has even greater responsibility and powers to know that the system is operating system has the greater responsibility and powers. It's like a traffic cop. It makes sure that different program and user running same time do not interface is the programming system, and also running at the same time the strong drivers and controlling full graphic of the printer system. So in an operating system for the long hardware and operating system and which performs all the basic tasks like every general purpose program must have in an operating system. So, in an operating system, there are coming the two type of software that fully connect with the operating system. The first software of the system software, and second one is the application software. They both software come and going to the operating system, then hardware coming and CPU, RAM, and output system. In a system software, the all software which is based on the computer software means user without any user interfaces, the all the software run automatically by the window performance. The second one is the application software. It is totally based on user system means in an application software we must need a user. Without user we cannot operate the any application software by using the operating system. So here we going to about the function of operating system. The first function of operating system is the providing the user interfaces, running application, support build and utility programs, and control the program hardware. So user interface, the what is the user friend means UI. Sometimes we call GUI, graphical user interface. So the part of operating system program or device to allow user to give the two interfaces or the receive information to the from user interfaces. There are two type of user interface, command line interface and graphical user interface. They are both type of the user interfaces. So in the command line interfaces, the totally information about the console programming means all the operating system based on the console system means where we only need about the DOS system. This is only about the textual system. Though second one is the graphical user interface. Sometimes is a big vector photography system where a user totally work on the graphs or events. We doesn't need any text or doesn't need any console programming. We all programming is going to about the graphical user interface. So the second one is the running application. In a running application, operating system start and stop programs means it is able to start and stop the programs. Each program has own separate area in a RAM means all the program it is able to create a separate area in a RAM. CPU run few instructions from the each program means CPU are able to get some instruction from the program and get run the system. So they all program appear to be running out the memory, and program exists normally by the separating system of the operating. So third one is the support for build and utility program. All the operating system perform basic function such as deleting data, disk operation, user accounts and security, antivirus, cleaning and system cleanup, and encrypting and security management. Means it is able to do all the performance tasks by easily way. On the graphically shape, we doesn't need any shape, we doesn't need any text for the providing data. We only represent text into the graphically representation. Data can be saved retrieve after the particular data was saved on the future file. The system was a very operating system in the recognize of the formatting files. Almost which of the recognize make easy for the user interfaces and going to the about the get the data. The operating system based on the all the program that save easily way and the common way. So almost all the operating system here hierarchy file system were organized file into the folder under the T structure. And the third one is the control the computer hardware. There are four ways the operating system control the hardware of the computer. Their first one is the drivers, second one is the memory management, and third one the CPU controlling, and the fourth one is fans and cooling. So first of all, I tell you about the what is a driver. In a computing, a driver is a computer program that computes all the control and particular type of device that attached to the computer. Means it is the device software which connect to the all computer hardware into the software system. The driver provide the software interfaces to the hardware devices, enable operating system. Each computer program access the hardware functions without needed to know the pixels detail about the hardware being used. A driver communicate with the devices through a computer bus or communication subsystem to which the hardware connect. When all the program invokes to a root of driver, the driver issue of the communication between the two more computer. Once the device send a back data, then it can easily perform the all the data can get back from the program. The second one is the memory management. And the memory management it can be performed the resource management applied to computer memory. That establish requirement of the memory management is to provide way to the dynamically allocate the portion of the memory the program of the request to the tree with the issues of the when longer needed. This circular was any advance of the computer system where more than single process might be hardware at any time. Survived method have been discussing that increase the effectiveness of the memory management system. Vertical memory system separate all the memory addressing used by the process for the actual physical addresses, allowing the separate of processing and increase the size of vertical addresses spaces. Behind the available amount of the RAM using paging of the sweeping have the extra ability to control all the activities which are performed by the CPU. So the CPU controlling. The control unit CPU is the component of computer control processing that directly operate to the processor. It tells us the computer memory automatically and the logically united input the output devices. How responsible of the structure that have been sent to the processor. It directly operating of the other units by providing time and controlling signals. Most computer users are providing the management CPU of the direct of the flow of data between the CPU and other devices. John Van numeric include the control units part of the in modern computer devices. The control units typically internal part of the CPU with the overall rule and operating system management system of the operating system. The fourth one is a fans and cooling. And a computer fan is a fan inside of the attached to the computer cases used for the active cooling. Fans are used to draw color into the cases where outside expensively air of the inside and move air across the heat sink cool particular component both Excel and sometimes the configuration of the browse and the fence communication use the computer system. Commonly come standard size and around all the CPU heat is covered the very simply way of the hardware system. So here is the components of the operating system: the file management system, process management system, input output devices, network management, secondary store management, security management, and error center. Means these all the types of the computer components of the operating system, which is also based on the all the activities of the operating system. It's going to be there. So now we're discussing about the type of operating system. There are basically three type of operating system: single user, single task, single user multitask, multi-user multitask. In a single user single task, the operating system user perform one task in one time. This system has only deal one person at the time, means it cannot able to allow second choice in the operating system. Example, Play hard help us. Example of single user mobile phone means a user only perform one operation on the one time. These advantages of this operating system: allocate the least space of memory, means it consume all the heat memory and space between the operating system. And disadvantages of the single user single task: it can perform only one task in the one time. So second one is a single user multitask. In a single user multitask, the operating system has deal with the multiple operation, allow user to perform multiple tasks on the one time. Means a user allowed to perform much more operation in the same time. Means example, a person who operate the Windows, who operate the play games, and who operate the video system of the computer, which are already based on the hard disk. And its advantage, its time saving, as performs multiple tasks at yielding the high productively. And this disadvantages, this appear the system the highly complex, occupies the more space between the user and operations. So now the third one is the multi-user multitask. It is the operating system. It is the operating system that performs several users utilize all the programs are correctly running at the single network symbol. Means all the PCs, all the devices are connected with the server. Without server, we cannot connect each device. So it is highly productively perform the multiple tasks at the time. It is time saving, as we don't have to make change in any desktop, and hence can make change only to the server. Means this advantage is we can only connect with the server, we cannot device connect with each other. So this is the main disadvantages of the multi-user multitask. So the last one is the process and program. Program and process are the related terms to the major difference between program and the process. Means that perform the group inheritance to the carry out the specified task, where the perform is a program, while the executing all the process is an active entity, a program considered to the positive one. So here is the big difference between the programs and process. A program in simple words can be considered as a system activity. In batch process system, these are called executive jobs, while in the real-time operation system, it is called task or programs. And the process in executing of the program that considered as an activity entity and realize the action specified all the programs. Multiple process can be related on the same program. So and lastly, we're discussing about the future of operating system. The features of operating system is the most powerful, is a reliable, and perform all the operation in the all the time. Means we doesn't need any time consuming. We can perform all the tasks by on wish. should coordinate and have good control output and operation and devices on can which be performed. So in this lecture we all discussing about the operating system. Thank you so much guys.